Hi, my name is Sunder Belani. I'm the managing director of Ramsons. We are a 70-year-old company, and we've been manufacturing modern-day apparel manufacturing equipment for over 40 countries. Uh, our entire logo of our company is changed into sustainable thinking. All the engineering that we produce, like ozone equipment, nebulizers, conveyor dryers, everything is on our focus mantra, which is sustainability. Our ozone equipment today would give you the effects of bleaching, anti-back staining, even acid wash without chemicals and water. Before, garments used to go into water. Now water goes into garments using our jet spray systems for low liquor ratio, and using our nebulizers actually that break up chemicals and water into atomic particles that create the effects of softeners with 90% of waterless washing, is again with our motto in mind, which is sustainable thinking. So we are focusing on all sustainable products. We're also going to close the chain with getting into effluent systems with ZLDs, so that we give back to Mother Earth what we take from her, which is clean water, clean air, clean energy. Thank you.